Dear God, please protect my family from harm and guide us through life's challenges. Help us to stay strong in our faith and love for one another. Lord, bless our home with peace and unity, where love and respect reign. May our family bond grow stronger each day, rooted in your everlasting love. God, I ask that you bless my family with your love and protection. Help us to grow closer to you and to one another each day. Dear God, grant us the strength to overcome challenges together as a family, knowing that with you nothing is impossible. Lead us on the path of righteousness and fill our hearts with courage. Lord, we entrust our family's future into your hands, knowing that you hold the master plan. Help us to surrender our worries and fears to you, trusting in your perfect timing and provision. Dear God, I pray that you protect my family from all evil and harm. Help us to stay strong in our faith and to always follow your will.